Hi guys, Jason here, Jason's Trucking Info, and in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to do the optimized idle on your truck. This is pretty much in Freightliners to the best of my knowledge. I don't know if this is available in other trucks or not, but if you have optimized idle, you probably do not have an APU unit on your truck. And all you got to do is when you get stopped for the day, your truck will be running. You just got parked. You see this screen. Okay, do not shut off your truck. Leave your ignition, turn to the right. Now, pay attention to these buttons here and the dash, okay? Now, you see that steering wheel icon right there? You're gonna move it one over to the truck. Then you're gonna hit OK to select that menu option. And then you've got these two, engine idle adjust and optimize idle. You just go down, press this OK, and then you're gonna press OK again. This is just basically telling you not to move the gear selector while you're opti-idling because it might cause the truck to move. Probably not gonna happen because there's other safety things in place, but don't do it. Hit OK again, and that says to enable optimize idle, press OK. So you're going to hit OK again. Okay, now you have it set. Did you see that green icon show up right there? That is showing that you are in optimize idle. If you see that, you're in optimize idle. And you see the truck that shut itself off. We are in opti idle now, right now. The truck is going to stay shut off until it feels the batteries get drained down enough, and then it will start back up on its own. The truck will literally shut itself back on, and you're gonna, I don't know if this is related or not, if this is part of the optimized idle system or not, but there is something doing this humming and vibrating that's kind of mild, like right underneath me, and I think it has to do with the optimized idle system, but I'm not sure. But that's all you got to do, folks. That is it. And when you need to take off, when you're gonna start your next shift, all you got to do is turn the ignition and start it back up if it's not already running. If your truck's already running, all you got to do is put it in gear and start going. Push your gears in place and it'll cancel out the opti idle as soon as you start driving. That's it, folks. Very simple. And that's it. That's all you got to know. And if anybody wants to add to this, if there's something that you know more than me about all this, but this is the opti idle. I've had a couple drivers that didn't know how the opti idle worked. That's how it works. Simple, very simple. You just gotta press OK until you see that screen and see that icon, and then you'll notice if your truck's been running for a while and your batteries are charged up, your truck's gonna shut itself off, the engine's gonna shut down, and a couple seconds later you might feel a humming and slight vibration, especially if you're sitting. You can feel pretty much anywhere you are in the cab of the truck, this slight vibration and humming noise coming from something right underneath somewhere in the truck. I can feel it really good right now sitting in the driver's seat. So anyway, that's it, folks. That's all you got to do. And I really don't know much else about it other than that's how you do it. So, okay, I just know how to set it, and I know that you just, when you're done, you just start driving after you've done all your pre-trip and logs and all your other paraphernalia you got to do. When you're ready to drive, if the truck hasn't already started itself because the batteries got low, all you have to do is start it up, which will usually automatically shut the thing off, and you know, depending on your company, some companies like Allen Ritchie, I'm not even sure if they had the OptiIdle. I never had to use it because they didn't have the automatic shutdown like a lot of companies set their trucks so that they will automatically shut themselves down after a little bit. Allen Ritchie's had that, but they had it set up so all you had to do was do that thing right here, where you could basically, you're just like setting the cruise control. This engine idle adjust, you go there and then you press the up. The truck's not on, so it's not going to work, but if the truck was running, this is how you would access that. So, and then you just hit these buttons, and that would usually, I don't think it'll work on this truck because I think Sierra England has this set up so even if you set the engine idle up that it won't work, but I haven't tried it, so I don't know. I use the OptiIdle, so that I don't know, that's just the way I've been doing it. So anyway, there you go. So I showed you two things there. So that's how you use your OptiIdle for those of you that don't know. Thanks guys, have a great day, and hit that like and leave any comments or questions. I always try to do videos to help you guys out, things that I know. Okay, there's a lot of things I don't and a lot of things I do, and I try to show the things to help you guys out. So thanks guys, catch you next video. Bye.